How to fix update KB5053598 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2? Hello friends, follow those steps. First thing first, install this Windows update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. If you are having ARM64 based system, then click on this download button. For x64 based systems, click here. Check the system type to make sure whether your system is x64 or ARM64. For this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down, click on About. Here is system type. This is 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. This means I have to download this file, version 24H2 x64 based systems. Click on the download button for this link. Click on both the links. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to the Downloads folder. Right click on this update. Select Open. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Yes. Copying the packages to Windows Update cache. Wait for it and restart your computer when required. Modify services. If the issue still persists, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. Find Windows Update in this list. Windows Update, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties. A startup type must be automatic. If it is not automatic on your computer, click on this drop down and select Automatic. Click on Apply. Then click on Start. Click on OK. Right click on the Windows Update service. Select Restart. Now look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. This one. In the same way, right click on this service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Service status is running on my computer. Check on your computer. If it is stopped, click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on the Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Select Restart. Then find Cryptographic Services. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. The startup type should be automatic. If it is not automatic here, click on the drop down, select Automatic. Service status must be running. If it is not running, Start would be highlighted. Click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on the Cryptographic Services. Select Restart. Close the services and check for Windows updates. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. If the update is being downloaded, let it complete and restart your computer to install it. Reset Windows Update components. If any error is still occurring or Windows Update is stuck, then reset Windows Update cache. Reset the Windows Update components using a downloadable file. Go to the video description and click on this link. A zip file will be downloaded. Click on this folder icon. Select extract all from here. Click on extract. Right click on w_reset 2.0.bat. This is a batch file. Right click on this file. Select run as administrator. Click on yes. Press any key to continue. Press on your keyboard. Again press any key to continue. The command prompt is closed. Close all the running tasks and restart your computer. After restarting, again check for updates. Click on Start, go to Settings, select Windows Update and click on Check for updates. Besides, you can manually reset Windows Update cache. Click on Search, type CMD. For the command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Select Yes on the User Account Control pop-up. These are the commands to reset Windows Update cache. You will find these commands in the description of this video. Copy the first command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Copy the second command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, run all these commands and after running, close all the tasks such as files and applications and restart your computer. After restarting, check for Windows Update. The problem is still not solved. It means system files might be faulty, so you will need to repair them. Click on Search, type CMD. Right click on command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Go to the description of this video and run System Files Checker command and DISM RestoreHealth command. These two commands are sufficient to repair the system files. Copy the first one, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt. Close the command prompt and close all other running tasks. Restart your computer and try to install the Windows Update. Uninstall third-party antivirus or software that can cause conflict on your system. Right-click on Start, select Installed Apps. If any third-party antivirus is installed, then find it and uninstall it temporarily. You can install it again after receiving the update. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus, then click on three dots, select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall on the confirmation pop-up. Follow on-screen instructions if shown. Repeat the same process for other third-party software. Close settings, then restart your computer and then check for updates. If the update is still not installing, it means you will have to perform in-place upgrade. Open a browser, type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on the download Windows 11 link. Navigate to the download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices section. Click on select download, select this option and click on download now. Here select the product language. To avoid any mistake, check the product language on your computer. Click on the Windows icon from the taskbar. Select settings. Go to time and language. Select language and region. Windows display language. This tells the language. English United States is your system language. Here click on choose one. Select English United States. Click on confirm. Then click on 64-bit download. This will download the ISO file. Wait until it is fully downloaded. After completion, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Click on Downloads from the left navigation pane. Right-click on the ISO file you have just downloaded and select Mount. Click on Open. On Open File Security warning pop-up. Right-click on setup.exe. Select Open. Click on Yes. Uncheck this option. I want to help make the installation better. And click on Next. On the applicable notices and license terms window, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Take a cup of coffee and wait until the Windows 11, including the new update, is installed. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.